feeling so good, so good, so good, so good. I feel alive. Oh, oh, oh. Tip top trippers, my name is Donato. Today is Sunday, the 3rd of October, and welcome to my London Marathon 2021. Let's go. But before I get into the details of the video, if you are new here and you haven't already done so, please do give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Really does help this channel. Let's head to the train station. As you've probably seen earlier, there's people who are just going for their breakfast. The excitement is building here. We've just got to Blackheath train station, and as you can see behind me, all these lovely runners. Yeah. And over there. Oh, it's getting oh so real. So yes guys, I've now got through in Red Wave. Yeah, Red Wave start area. So we're going to head over to the start where we'll get clustered into our little groups of wave A, B, C, D, E, etc. Let's go. So I'm just over in the wave start. It says here wave 1, 6, 11 and 16. So I think the pen will be opening up soon. This is what I'm looking at here. So as you can see, it says 1, 6, 11, 16. So this is where we'll enter. We'll get into our pens and then we'll be ready to go. So I know where to go now, although I'm already feeling quite chilly. My teeth are chattering. So maybe I should have come with a few more layers, but hey, planning and all that, what to do, eh? What to do.
Way past that.
Here we go, guys. This is the start of London Marathon. Here we go, go. Woo! Let's go, kids. Right, let's go. Here we are. So it was only a matter of time before I would catch up with Tom, dressed as the elephant, and here he is. How are you feeling, Tom?
Excellent.
Feeling good?
It's tough.
Excellent. Keep it going, mate.
Yet.
See you soon. Brilliant stuff, hey, brilliant. Run with the Marines. Good luck, guys.
Yeah, enjoy, mate.
Here we are, mile 1. Mile 1. 25.2 to go. I better get closer to the start. Guys, would you believe I'm here with Gene Dykes, none other world record holder, is it? What at the...
Yeah, I'm getting stomped by this guy.
But you're injured right now, but it's great to see you. You're an absolute running legend. World record holder at 72-year-old marathon. 74. Look at this guy here at London Marathon smashing it. All the very best, Gene. Take care, mate.
Okay, finish strong.
Absolutely. So here we go, guys. Mile 2. Ka-ching! Mile 2 is done. That's 2 miles in. Feeling good? Relax. Oh. Never feeling so good. So good! So good! So good! I feel alive. Oh. That was good.
Give me more of that, please.
Oh yes, please. Keep singing, guys. So everybody's waving to the TV camera.
Denmark.
Feel alive. Whoa, oh. Woo. I've just bumped into Nikki. She ran a 20 miler with me a couple of years back, didn't you?
Yeah.
It's great to see you.
Yeah,
Feeling
That's
good?
all the runners out here today.
Feeling good?
Not too bad. Hope you do
Excellent,
alright.
excellent. Keep it going, Nikki. All the best.
Thank you.
So there's lots of guys running in outfits, and here I am with Mr. Aston Martin. How you feeling, mate?
Huh?
How you feeling? You must be cooking in that outfit.
So hot. Honestly, it's so hot.
Yeah. Here we come, Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge. Yes, indeed, eh? Listen to that roar. This is London. Woo! Oh yeah. Mile 15 here in the tunnel, and it's pretty fresh and breezy here. They've obviously got the ventilation going. Gotta run through the hose, eh? Cool down. Ooh, ooh. Oh, oh, that was so refreshing. I don't know if that was a good idea, but hey, it's done now. This guy, he's running backwards. Mile 24, we are rocking, we are rocking. I'm just starting to come with it. I'm just having to be here. Buckingham Palace. Yeah. The finish line.
Paralympic champion is also out in the field today. He's competed in this as an elite before.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. Oh.
Keep moving. Well done. Well done.
Oh my God.
Nice and straight. This is a big deal for you, yeah?
So yes, guys, that concludes this little brief update. There will be the full version coming out later in the week. As I said, this is purely down to Wi-Fi connection, speed of uploads and so on. So for me to upload an epic movie of high quality, it'd probably take a couple of days at the speed I've got in this hotel. But hopefully you've enjoyed this little taster of what happened at London Marathon. Do you want to see the blings? Oh no, I'll show you the blings in the full version. So sorry, little teaser there. But yeah, I absolutely loved it. It was incredible. The people, all the people, volunteers, organisers, runners, DJs, bands, everyone. Oh, it was just fantastic, and I did get so emotional with the last couple of miles. I just couldn't hold back the tears. Oh, speaking of which, here comes the rain. So, ooh, as I jump in, ooh, there you go, see? Just found some cover. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at the full version later this week. Take care, guys.